Jiangsu Furui Energy Service Company Limited is dedicated to provide natural gas recovery and liquefaction service. We have successfully constructed nearly 50 LNG plants worldwide, 12 of which are fully invested and operated by Furui. Now, take the Heshen 6 LNG plant as an example. We introduce you the know-how of the realization of an LNG plant with its process and equipment. The gas trial project of Heshen 6 employs a set of 100,000 standard cubic meters per day liquefied natural gas loading and unloading equipment. The equipment and all accessories will be prefabricated, installed on modular basis in the factory, insulated, painted, and tested, thereby reducing the workload of on-site installation, ensuring quality, and shortening the project installation period. The project team is well organized, with designated roles for each member, including station managers, mechanical and electrical engineers. The teams rotate in 3 shifts for operation. A comprehensive QHSE system and dedicated safety administrator have been established, which ensure safe, stable, and consistent production with high quality on site. The liquefied natural gas equipment comprises the following units. High-pressure gas from the wellhead at 40 megapascal is throttled through 3 stages to reduce pressure to 4.5 megapascal before entering the purification unit. During the pressure reduction process, the gas temperature decreases. Water jacket heaters are employed to prevent freezing of pipelines. Simultaneously, a filtration process separates a substantial amount of free water carried from the wellhead. MDEA amine-based process is employed for desulfurization and decarbonization. The purified natural gas has a carbon dioxide content of less than or equal to 50 ppm and hydrogen sulfide less than or equal to 4 ppm. The hydrogen sulfide gas generated during acid gas removal is processed through the chelating iron solution method for recovery. Dehydration is performed using a 4A molecular sieve adsorption tower to remove saturated water vapor from the gas, resulting in a natural gas with water content less than 1 ppm. 3 molecular sieve adsorption towers switch automatically. After dehydration, the natural gas passes through a mercury removal tower, using chemical reaction adsorption to eliminate trace mercury that may be present in the raw gas, protecting subsequent cold boxes. The natural gas liquefaction employs the C3MR process. The gas is firstly pre-cooled to -20 degrees Celsius using propane, then enters the cryogenic cooler for deep cooling and liquefaction into LNG at -162 degrees Celsius. It is then throttled and depressurized through AJ or T valve into the loading unit. There are 2 refrigerant compressors, both driven by electric motors. The pre-cooling compressor uses propane as the circulating refrigerant. The propane vapor phase returned from the pre-cooling heat exchanger is compressed and then cooled through a cooler. After throttling through a valve, it returns to the pre-cooling heat exchanger. The reheat propane gas is sent to the pre-cooling compressor inlet, completing the pre-cooling cycle. The main refrigeration compressor employs a mixed refrigerant composed of nitrogen, methane, ethylene, and propane. The refrigerant enters the cold box through the compressing, cooling, throttling to provide cold capacity for natural gas liquefaction, and the mixed refrigerant is vaporized and returned to the compressor inlet to complete the cycle. The project includes an 800 kilowatt gas-fired thermal oil furnace. The circulating oil is pumped into the gas-fired thermal oil boiler for heating. This ensures that the oil temperature entering the circulating pipeline network is maintained at 160 degrees Celsius, providing regeneration heat for the acid removal unit. The product loading unit comprises two product loading arms and control valves. The LNG product from the liquefaction unit is loaded through the loading arms. The air nitrogen station primarily meets the daily needs for instrument air and nitrogen gas. The instrument air serves as the gas source for pneumatic instruments. The project includes one nitrogen generation unit, providing purified air for instruments, protective gas, and nitrogen for startup and shutdown operations. To ensure safe production and reduce environmental pollution, a high-level flare system is installed. This ensures the safety of the entire facility in case of any accident. The facility is equipped with 4 generator sets with a total power of 4 MW, providing power supply for the normal production of plant equipment. The MCC system provides power distribution for the facility's electrical equipment, with separate sections for high voltage at 10 kV and low voltage at 0.4 kV. The control system employs DCS and SIS for process control and interlock shutdown. The DCS and SIS are installed in the control room. The operation room is equipped with GDS, F&GS, operating stations, CCTV, etc. The DCS system is primarily used for process control, with communication interfaces allowing operational parameters to be uploaded to the upper-level monitoring center. The SIS system operates independently for safety protection of station. The F&GS system is responsible for detecting and alerting for fire and gas leaks in various areas. Based on the geographical variations of natural gas extraction regions, Jiangsu Furui Energy Service Company Limited can also offer LNG equipment solutions, including 200,000 cubic meters per day C3MR modular LNG equipment, 300,000 cubic meters per day SMR, C3MR modular LNG equipment, and 400,000 cubic meters per day SMR, C3MR modular LNG equipment, catering to natural gas recovery and liquefaction needs. We remain committed to our original aspirations, embodying the mission of providing clean energy for a better future, upholding values of safety, innovation, efficiency in project management, standard operations, and smooth trade and sales. We continuously deliver high-quality services. We are dedicated to contributing exceptional efforts to the energy services industry and advanced technology sector.